guys, it's Rainbowlicious here, and welcome to the YouTube family. Today we have a surprise. Comes with a toy. Let's go start opening. Let us open this straight open. Now we have the egg. What kind of toy is inside, guys? Tell me in the comments if you know. I don't know. Oh my god. So good. Good chocolate. What's this? I don't know what this is, but and also it's this. Then there's a little mini character. Let's go try and do this. Ah! In the YouTube family, don't forget. So funny. Yeah, I can't open this thing. I think we could do it after we eat our yummy little chocolate. This is so yummy, guys. You could make a Hello Kitty. Let's go see what kind of character we could make. What kind of character would we make? Scissors. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, now we opened it. I'm back. It's a Hello Kitty! Oh, look at her. You could dress her up. Oh my god, she's so cute. And she comes with these accessories. Are so cute. Now, so I don't know what's this, but I think it's right. One of these bad boys. Cute. Look. Oh my god. If you guys enjoy this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Tell me what's your favorite part. Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe.